So we've been trying to figure out what to make sense, how to make sense of what's happening in the tech business, but also in the private markets where you live.
Yes.
Relative to what's happening in the public markets. Obviously, we've seen the NASDAQ just, get crushed.
Yes.
Is everybody actually revaluing their private market stakes these days, or not yet?
Well, what usually happens is when public markets correct, especially this abruptly, the things that are closest to being public or late stage private are the ones that kind of correct quickest, and then it slows down all the way to the earliest stages. I think right now everybody's still trying to figure out what's going on. My guess is that especially people who have to mark their portfolios on a regular basis, I'm hearing from a lot of late stage private people that they may change their marks as much as 50%. I mean, especially look in the SaaS sector, valuations from their peak to current are down 50 to 60%. Forward multiples are down like 70%. So, we've had a pretty big correction.
And are you feeling it in terms of when you look through your own portfolio, in terms of their own businesses? Are you seeing any actual shift yet?
No. Everybody I talk to says that, business has still been good. It's just, people are looking forward and the uncertainty right now is exceedingly high.
There also seems to be a complete and utter shift from growth at all costs.
Right.
We'll raise some more money later and worry about actually making profits to we now need to make profits now. How is that sort of changing this dynamic, if it is at all?
Well, it definitely is. And what usually happens in this period of time is all of a sudden you get shock and disbelief. Then you get, kind of depression sets in, and then the bid-ask spreads widen, and the market kind of doesn't clear, and then it finds a new level. Markets start clearing, and people feel like there's some stability. Nobody wants to catch a falling knife. So what happens is often that the deals just don't get done in this period of time as everyone tries to figure out where the world is.
Which stage of grief are you in then?
Well, so I think the good news, as we were just talking about, is revenue growth is still really good. Interest in investing in technology is still very high, but everybody sees what's coming down the pike, and they're not really sure what it's going to look like. Is it going to be short and shallow, or is it going to be deep? And the bad part is, for a lot of the people who started these companies recently, they've just seen kind of a 12-year bull market. They haven't really seen anything like this. And so those of us who are old enough to remember the internet crash have a lot of scars. And so I'm giving a lot of advice to the companies. One is conserve cash,
right.
Pretend it like it's your lifeblood. The second is to try to improve your business model, look at ways to lower your break even. The third is really sharpen the focus on your product market fit, and don't do anything outside of your core fit, and try to find a lot of customers that look like the others. The fourth is really invest only in core IP,
right.
Or things that produce near-term revenue. And the fifth is don't panic.